Hi everyone. Today in this demo, I would give you a quick walkthrough of this particular playbook, which is communicating your unbeatable value. This playbook introduces what Future Ready Schools Network is all about. Basically, it allows your schools to offer modern future ready education without spending anything extra. That means more value for students and parents without increasing your budget. So this guide is here to help you talk about that value clearly. We'll show you how to explain what makes your school special. So you can like parents actually trust it and enrollment is increased based on that. Section 1, we focus on one big question. Why is your school so good and still affordable? So today's parents, they are very smart. When they see high quality at a regular price, they want to know how is it's possible. Right? That's the main question, how. This section helps you answer that question with confidence. Firstly, it's a quick goal for your school, right? It helps you track parents and build more enrollments. Second, it builds trust. When you're open about how you do things, people believe in your school, right? And the third one is it strengthens your message. When parents understand how you deliver results, your value really stands out. Based on all of this, we give you a simple action plan. You have create a short and clear explanation about how your school offers such great values. And this should actually be highlighted on your website, your brochures, or even when you're talking to your parents. Right? So, to help you do that, we have added four quick tips. First one is highlight your value drivers. Right? You have to highlight the things your school does really well. Second is to be honest and very, very transparent because that will actually build the trust between parents and schools. Third one is keeping it simple and concise. Use languages that is easy to you understand for the parents and for everyone. And the last but the most important one, focus on what's in it for parents and students, what actually benefits them. Focusing on all these guiding principles, we have prepared some ready to use pitches as an example for your school. You can just mention your name, you can just replace the text with your school's name and use them directly for your purpose, because these are covering all the highlighted principles over here which I just explained. You can just use them directly on your particular website, social media, wherever you need it. We also have designed some of the shorter pitch snippets which you can use them, which can be used by you. So now moving ahead to the section 2. In this section, we will focus on helping your school craft powerful and attention grabbing headlines basically. Headlines, you can say, is they are often your first and only chance to catch a parent's interest, right? Whether it's on your flyers, your website, your social media. So it's crucial that it clearly conveys your value, right? So now your action step is here is simple. Start building a collection of short, best driven headlines which actually highlight your benefits or your value. You can try out different angles like we have stated here: affordability, your future skills, or maybe your career or future readiness, right? So if you need help getting started, we have also included examples in three different categories over here. Like you can see it on the screen. First one is focusing on the future readiness and skills. Second one is focusing on value and affordability, and third one is focusing on future readiness and unbeatable value. You can just click on them, you can just explore them and adapt these for your schools. Right? Doesn't it feel just simple? You just have to implement all of the stuff. Still, if you need something, you can just contact us. We'll help you out with other things also. So now that you have your headlines ready, you are done with your messaging, let's talk about rolling it out effectively. Next steps could be that you should actually train your staff. Make sure everyone from teachers to your admissions, they can actually communicate your message. They can actually communicate about your school. Next thing is you have to be consistent. You have to share the same message on every channel, may it be website, social media, flyers, wherever. Third is gather feedback. So this is very important, right? You can ask parents why, uh, what is their feedback for your school. And finally, showcase some success stories, because the real stories, the real things will actually build trust and make attract the parents. Show how your students are benefiting from future ready programs. With these steps, you are not just changing communication, you are actually transforming your school's identity. So, moving ahead, we have some of the resources. We have one for the school management resources, the other is for the parent management resources. Right, you can just click on the buttons and you will get access to all the resources based on their own categories. Moving ahead, we have a pro tip for you. You can use free AI tools like Gemini from Google or ChatGPT to just customize your content in seconds. Just tell the AI your school's name, location, and unique features, and it will generate the best headlines and messages for you. You can also alter them according to your wish. Right. So we have also provided some sample prompts, this sample prompt that you can use to actually generate headlines from these AI tools. Just you can just copy the prompt from here, paste it on the AI tool, and just change the name of your school and your basic features, your unique features actually. Right. You just have you it's not that difficult, it's just that you have to play around with things with different tones and choose the best for your audience. We've also given an option to download this guide so that you can just refer to the downloaded version when and where you need it.